This is the first time to the Jamaica Young Police channel and you haven't subscribed to the channel as yet, please consider subscribing. Like the video. And once you like the video, a pop-up is going to show that it says hype the video. Hype the video. By hyping the video, you're making the video reach others on the YouTube platform. And those of you who have been here with at the Jamaica Young Police channel for years, and you're subscribed and you're not receiving a notification, please unsubscribe and subscribe again. Remember to share the video, because you know that the channel has been an attack by the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization and their surrogates at YouTube. You have seen it for yourself, where they have even distorted my voice, trying to turn me into American, and I'm not. When I say American, I'm talking speaking like an American. I'm not an American. I'm a Jamaican by birth, and I'm proud of my Jamaican accent, not changing it for anything in the world. Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. So I hope you enjoy part 1, and this is part 2 of this 2-part series. Thank you for your support. If you're joining us for the first time, I strongly encourage you to watch part 1, because it provides the foundation for everything you are about to hear. This is the continuation of the testimony of a former gunman who is thanking me and my brothers for saving his life. This is not my story. This is his testimony, told in his own words. This man grew up in ZELLE, St. Andrew. He knew Bobby Red's family, he knew his wife, Charmian, who passed away, and their children, 2 daughters. He knew 2 of the daughters. We don't know Bobby's sons. Yet, like many young men from inner city communities, he found himself running down the wrong road when he was living in Kingston 13, Delacree Park. He began associating with people who were committing violent crimes and taking the lives of others. As street detectives, our responsibility was simple but serious to observe, to prevent and detect crime. That was our vote, and that was our duty. We took it seriously, that responsibility seriously, and we work hard to protect innocent people while enforcing the law. One thing I want the audience to understand is this: not every gunman we encountered ended up in the departure lounge. Those deadly encounters occurred when suspects attempt to kill us or innocent people, forcing us to defend ourselves or others. Every situation was different. What many people never hear about are the lives that we change. Yeah, the lives that were changed. Sometimes when you come from the same community environment, as you know, I'm from the belly of the beast and understand the environment, you can reach a young man before it is too late. Sometimes a conversation, guidance, accountability, and an opportunity to make different choices can completely alter the course of someone's life. The man whose testimony you are about to hear is one of those individuals. Today is living proof that people can change when they choose to change. He made that decision, and I am genuinely happy to see the life he has built. All of his friends are dead from gunshot. Everyone accept him because he had listened, migrated, and turned a different page of his life. So, to those who have criticized us or claim that all we ever did was destroy lives, listen carefully to what this former gunman has to say. Don't take my word for it. Listen to his own testimony. Judge it on its own merit and then decide for yourself. This is part 2. Let's hear his story. You watch, you listen, and you decide.
Yeah.
Tell the Dan, say me still. Tell him, say me, Mr. Porter, say, don't send you go out with no weed again. You understand?
Yeah.
I'm gonna let the police go on. Anyway, the police when I drive a vehicle near Brevet. So I reach back at Huntsby now. Him go to the crime chief named John Gaz. Brevet, you know, me I tell you, he had a detective. Me I seen a police team, you know. So I'm going to tell John Gaz I'm a whole man with a youth with a whole heap of weed, ganja, you know.
Yeah.
And they got the youth and him don't know if I tell him man that you know, him don't know if I might because I him see the youth and I him say boy I will search the youth. Him don't know if I might if them people they're connected to me and them thing. So them call them, yeah, so them call me and thing and I say boy this is what man I say, you know. I mean I say look here. Remember saying you know, as police, you know, all the way have the initiative, whether you know you can use the discretion whether you want to charge somebody or not. I mean, decide say me not charge him. I say I talk to the youth, I get to me come from on them thing and based on what him say, I make him go on with the weed. So all the problem on them thing, you understand? Yeah. So this was the youth now. He's my assistant manager at Bank of America. And him tell me, him cry in a bank and them thing there. And the man I say, boy, you don't even know what you do for me that day there.
Yeah.
You understand? So I just saw it on them thing there. When you come, you have to, that's why I tell a man, it's when you come from the ghetto and them thing there, you understand how the lifestyle in the ghetto, you know, you treat people different and them thing there. That's why I don't believe in a people, police here beat man and all of them thing there. You understand what I'm saying? Or backs up people and, you know, if you have to do your work, you just do your work. And I'm glad for that youth there and them thing there, you know. You understand? Me and him used to be in touch and somehow me used to have a Miami number and my number change and you understand that? I just saw it go, you understand? So I'm glad for you the man say, you know, say me change him life and them thing there. At least me know say, you know, as a police, you know, as a detective and in the on the street and them thing there, me did have an impact on your life and I'm glad for that say you turn on your life. You understand?
Man, I never forget, never ever forget that, Brechin. You sit me down in a Huntsby and give me a good talk. I'm really appreciative and that stuck in my head from them juvenile days until now, me a big man. And me not forgot, Brechin.
So how many time you go out in 13?
Go back at 13.
You know go back in 13?
No man, let me do that so.
So when you go to Jamaica, where you go? Hotel or anything there?
We got different place, we got country and our family them.
Oh, so you know nobody live out in 13, no family? Or you not check them?
No, me not a family live out there really, and I just friend and you and me a big man, me not going to mix up.
You can't trust you can't get to people, I know people you can't trust, you know.
Yeah, you can't, me not trust nobody. That's my thing. Because me been through it, me know about the friend thing, no, me not depend them thing there, Brechin.
Because them not say big, I know Bingy friend them say set him up, but them kill him.
Because Bingy caused that upon him own brother.
Oh.
Let me tell you, let me give you some. Bingy the America, you know.
Arizona.
Yeah, me and Bingy used to par, you know. Bench and batty, you know what you know. Me the different place somewhere Bingy there. Me trying to fit. Even though I'm a friend, I'm a grow with.
You know how to certain things where them do?
Yeah. I'm try to eliminate myself from certain things. Me still call a man and talk to a man and we link up on them things about. And when the time get dark, I'm gone one way and them gone one way.
Yeah.
Yeah, me not drop me guard on them thing there, Brechin, because me know what life is, and me not try to go back in the thing when I left Jamaica.
Yeah.
And come America for go back in the same thing. I prefer me stay at Jamaica then. And so me look on it, you know. And so me look on it to the whole of the Jamaican them. You come America for a different life. And come up on the same bullshit Where coming for then?
You know, you sound like one of my cousins where he used to, him go to jail to another of them thing there, Jamaican. I same thing him saying, him no, same thing him saying, I say, boy, you know, I the right way that still, you know, you can't left from Jamaica for you better and come on next man country. Then you talk about the white man, then you go end up with the white man. I tell you, when you get up, when you eat, you understand what I'm saying? You go to prison. And but no, in your community just like mine, if you don't got jail, you know, or prison, you know, nobody no respect for you in a 13 now, you know. Like you know, you got a Jamaica, you tell them about Marcus Garvey and read it. You know, them say you fool, a white man thing that you attack.
Yeah.
Them want you to tell them how much gun you can give them.
All of that. I want to say from the America, I never indulge in none of them things they brethren. No man can call me and talk, but what I'm saying, I want to come for mine. No. Me have a pity them for mine, I'm a rent for pay. Me can't be, me not depend that, I hear what? Me is a youth, me not take a bother from a man for my things.
True.
You can't bad me for what? True, me don't want to give you something. No.
So you remember Bagwa, the driving instructor, you know, him son come from same place out there. They want him can't draw on them thing and a bright youth on them thing, they must water.
I know a youth named Jonathan.
I know say I'm McLean him name and them thing there. But I see him place out of 2. Him know everybody out of 2 mile, man. I out them come from man, but a Bagwalk son. You remember Bagwalk out of the thing there?
But I even remember who that you know.
Why you name Ricky? Him name Ricky McBean. Ricky. Yeah man, I see him. I don't know where you and him come from too, you know. Cause him know all canny them and all of them people there. A long time I don't talk to him. My Bagwalk son. I trim father and them thing there. Them youth they never say get trouble, but him come from in a garrison and them thing there, and you understand. But him live a foreign and them thing there.
Yeah.
Right. So you say boy, Bingy give a film life and them thing, and him could and look how the man have apartment uptown, him have everything Range Rover.
Let me tell you something. You see, when Bingy got Jamaica, Bingy go down with more than $1 million.
US.
Yeah. Raw US.
Me know him did call me, you know. Cause you know me did lock him up and him jump the case. So him did call me, you know. Before him come on him thing there, and he didn't want to give me money. And I tell him, say, no, I say, look here, you know, you go far and you do your thing on him thing there. All you have to do is just come back and you just do what you have to do on him thing there. I tell him, say, I don't want the money from him. And him come on, you understand? Then after that, me left the didn't really left the work, but me still in the work, but me wasn't at work. Me did up and leave. Me don't know how him did get my number from, I think I must say Shine. That I Shine from Mangostown, and him call me. And I tell him, say, all you have to do, Virgin, just come back and just turn it, you know, nobody with no foolishness and him thing there. Anyway, cowboy, them me see my whole arm on him, because through them have, and him give them money. So him call me and I say, you see it, I tell him, say, boy, I want to give you money, and cowboy, them see me, and I say, look here, I fool no think that, you know. I say, you ain't have to give cowboy no money, because no cowboy charge you. And me charge you them thing there, and you understand, and I warrant out for you. And I tell him straight up, I say, honestly, I not even have plan for come back in the police work. You understand? So that was the last time I talked to him. You know, but you understand? Because I not tell him I'm rich and all of them thing there. I say, boy, that good for you and them thing there.
Man, for those guys, when I tell you exactly, the night when the night when him for left Jamaica, him call me. I think the DM call me. I tell me, say, me for call him when him there Jamaica and keep him safe. This is exactly what I tell him. Bingy, me can't keep you safe when you're there Jamaica. My advice to you is, don't go back in the ghetto. You have your money, stay far. You don't have to go there if you even give nobody no money if you want. Send the money go give people, but don't present yourself. Me say Bingy gone, him that gone east, him gone west, him gone north, him gone south. You can't do that. He's a foreigner. You're supposed to live better lifestyle.
But look, but we must say all them sister them, you know, they appear doctor them married to one. I think he was the only one who just give problem on them thing there. But I just because I say the mother make Bingy did become who him become now. Cause she never talk to him, you know.
Oh, maybe.
Cause say Bingy, say me take away him sister husband gun, you want a doctor and them thing there. Yeah, man. Him take away them gun and them thing there, and you understand. But I saw, and I me get the report and them thing there, but he make me get back the gun, but you understand. Then after that, me charge him and him them same one big female them thing there. But the doctor, through the doctor, him have him connection all the way up to the commissioner office. He never take long for him get back him gun, he take away and them thing there. You understand? And pretty much, people just come from up there, so them just take the file and you understand. But we charge him for other things and him they tell me on them thing there. And say him never, although him not get trouble on them thing there. Say him never disrespect me at no time on them thing there or talk to me no way. Cause say him hard the talk,
Yeah.
But for you to be so bright on them thing there, boy, I tell you.
How that Bingy used to go,
Him bright boy, man. Bright youth.
Yeah.
But I'm mother, man. Bingy, man. Cause me talk. The first time I lock him up and me talk to him did a come round and him. Cause I remember say Bingy have visa for a long time and I travel,
Yeah.
You understand? From Bingy, I own the youth out there, so I used to travel and them thing there. And Bingy's sister, them, everybody live uptown, Cherry Garden. Bingy don't want them the life, them just love it. Because in a ghetto and them thing, that true him come from family where have money. Say him the man, and boy, end up now, the man just dead. Me frightening time me say them kill Bingy and them thing, the man.
And the man dead young to bridging.
Young youth. How much a man have 2 Range Rover, the man have BMW at Jamaica and other man that as a young youth. You understand? Yeah. But it's a joy to talk to the man, You understand?
Yeah, man, give thanks, man, brother, man. I'll tell you again, thank you for your advice, brethren.
Yeah, man, it's a joy,
nobody in the ghetto, not even my own a big brother. Never sit me down and talk to me like how you talk to my brethren.
Well, suppose me tell you something. You see just like how you attack now. I have a cousin, with a New York. I just call him alias, his name Leo. You saw me that jungle and them thing there. Him used to have me like I'm handbag and them thing there. Me couldn't go certain way in a community and mix up on the certain things and without him.
Yeah.
You understand? So just like how you say, boy, me save your life and them thing there. Cause we have all a family and them thing there. Them man they got a prison, And the first time a man ever offer me ganja for smoke, and that the man there, when Leo find out, Leo vex,
Yeah.
Yeah, man, Leo's vex. And I say, what you do? Say, hey, and tell right in front him, and you understand, him name Sweetie. You understand? And I say, nah, man. Because him the down we are at 51 Maya Street. First time, man, and Leo, cause, although him a bad man, Leo was, you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So just like we are saying them thing, yes, man, you understand?
Yeah.
And him Leo still alive in him 70s and them thing there. So, I just saw it go on them thing there. You have good people in a ghetto, we come from a ghetto and know, say, boy, that road there, I wrong road, you understand? I'm glad for know the man in them 50s and them thing there. And as well you say, you're the only one left. I'm going 2 away from my age group left, though. 2, everybody else dead. You understand?
When you say me look back on it, every death unnecessary.
So the system is designed like that. Cause you don't have the politician them if you even tell you as youth. Cause when you come from ghetto, me can't tell a man about the labor community. Me I talk about my community, Jonestown Concrete Jungle. The only thing where you know for do is commit crime. Because all of the people with them, just like where you come from, the people them look up to was Aston and Aston Height. When name Jagadu and Mr. T, you remember them man there?
Yeah. Let me tell you some music there on the whole of them, man.
Alright. And look, actually.
Eh?
No, man, go on, talk.
Me used to there on the whole of them, man, there, brethren. The whole of them, man, there. Up at Kingston to the whole.
Yeah.
Me there before, but the name, but you know.
A long after them thing that I come out. Me not even the first Rock Bad crew, them they shoot off at, them did a house up and shoot off at Essen and Benji out at 2 Mile, right out of Collian.
Oh.
You understand? That time we just say you about Rock Bad and them thing there till it become one big gang. You understand?
Yeah.
I don't know if you remember all this, brother, when him. I don't know if you remember the time and the police had killed 5 of them one time uptown, and Uncle Son, you remember Son the one and get shot and him dead after them thing, them they get deported and them thing there. And time when Never Branch them did go uptown.
Never Branch is dead.
Yes.
We are talk. Never Branch and spoilers and the rest of man them.
Boy, I tell you, you understand? The whole of them, all of them man and them thing there.
Yeah.
And
remember them thing them on.
And you know, so the reason why I never blanch them dead though. I not remember the little youth name, you know. I the one in the back I carry, you know, where say them
spoiler that talk.
Yeah man, never blanch them Christian more man. Puko baby father man. The one
I know we are talking about me I said the one in the back of the car must be spoilers in name.
Yeah, but the only one somebody get to, but him did still dead and him thing. They want to name one son.
Oh,
okay. In the America and get deport. Them time in the early 90s when a man get deport. That are before the deportee thing a known thing in Jamaica.
Yeah.
You understand? All them dead, you know. I want a youth, you know. First him remember just like what you say names, what I first him I go for a robbery, you know. And when them say, I remember said them tell him say, you know, them are kill a driver, you know. And him go say to them, you know, him say to never them, you know, say, so I want to go kill a driver. Yeah, you understand? Him just go say that, you know, God met that up else driver that dead, you know, and because I say a whole heap of robbery driver carry them on, you know. And when him said that, you know, the driver bust a fart, you know, and say, wait, me carry them on upon so much robbery, and tonight the man might kill me, I mean, you know. You understand? So when him say that, not when the youth said that and everything there, him just drive a vehicle straight in our oncoming police vehicle and just roll out and say, gun. And I say all of them dead the night. So if they never did tell him, say, when him spoiler said they might kill the driver, because the driver, we talk to the driver and them thing there, else, they wouldn't dead and them thing there. If they never did plan for kill the driver, and whole heap of robbery man carry them pan, and tonight now they decide say they might kill the man. And him now ask him, so when we going to kill the driver? At first him I go out there with them, you know. You understand? And I saw Never Blanche dead. And Never Blanche, the labor there, Never Blanche them, Never Blanche and the whole of them, you know, paint up in a police station, you know.
Yeah.
Because them say, boy, them are cheap. Because I remember say, at the time that they killed Jagadoo and Mr. T, burn them. You see him and them are Pain Avenue. Papa John and the whole of them.
Yeah.
I tell you.
Yeah, man, brother, man. Give thanks for the advice, man. You see it many years ago, but it make a stamp in my life, brethren.
Yeah, man. We give thanks to that, man.
Yeah, man. You see
it. But Bobby, alright and them thing there, you know. And me talk to him daughter Kerry and them thing there, you understand?
Yeah. Kerry the little brown one, though.
Yeah, that's a big one. Yeah, the one that look like Bobby with the whole speckle and everything.
And child the speckle and the one. How the next one name? Alti, I think the next one name.
No, Michelle.
Oh, okay.
Oh, Alti a big one and them thing. She dead, you know. She dead down in Florida.
Oh. Okay.
And the wife dead to one of them thing. The wife dead up at Jersey.
Okay.
Yeah, man, give thanks, man, and just go and take care of yourself. But you can't walk on them thing they do.
Yeah, man, I move on, man. Still I move on, brethren. Well, just 2 more time, the pain hit me and them thing there. You know, so I have to just relax myself. When the time get cold surgery, I have to relax myself, you know?
Yeah. Alright, my brother, it's a joy to talk to the man, you understand? At least, you know,
man.
You know, I was able to do something positive for the man, you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, man, for real. I'm listen to the channel more time, you know, my brother.
Okay, alright. Cause
Yeah, man.
yeah, you know, the channel I feel all about save youth's life and them thing there, cause
Yeah.
you know, I tore away from my age group left. Everybody dead from gunshot. And one youth sick and dead and one youth named Skelly and gunshot. Cause when you come from a ghetto and them thing there, they make police are informer. So it's like you for become criminal and them thing there. So you understand what I'm saying? And you become police, you supposed to dead because you're informer, you betray the community and all of them thing there. And so them now, them in a community, and I get to them now, the people them were a road model, and people them were a criminal, like Aston, Neverland. And when them man dead, them talk like them a hero and them thing, like them a violate other people's rights.
Yeah.
You understand? You know, and that I think a teaching, you know, for just try to change youth them thought process. But we give thanks to life on them thing because, you know, want to all of your friend them and them thing there. Could happen to you, and just like what me say, I can't believe the youth. When your bugs say that, I can't believe him dead and them thing there.
And I did like bugs in the one shot bugs to get to them, you know.
Who shot him?
I think I want you from down a face on, you know. And then it's a carelessness, virgin.
I tell you.
All of them think that carelessness, guy. See, it is a youth. Basically, you grow with. You live down the road for you. Is it? So, them think that me don't want to be. My thing just different, virgin. My thing is just totally different.
Why it does sad though, you know, you understand. But that you know, when you come from a ghetto and them thing there, as you have to come out of it, you have to know to survive and them thing there.
Yeah.
I'm glad you understand what I'm saying. Although I still not live there, I still not forget where I come from, and I try my very best when I can do from right here, so to help the youth them and them thing, because you know, hey look here, you know so right now I live in a prison and them thing. We have a whole heap of inventor in our prison in Jamaica, you know.
Yeah.
I tell in a prison, you know. A youth, I talk to a youth who get 25 to life in a prison. And he might tell me, oh, him go to prison and him thing. Him say when he was 7, a man kill him father and him thing. Him say him father was no bad man. But because the man will kill him father, want for there with fee mother, but because stream father alive, the man can't do that kind of bad man. The man kill him father. Yeah. So him witness that as a youth, you know, and people all witness it. And him say nobody, the man no go to jail. And man bad up him mother and start all sleeping in him father bed. Him grow with that resentment. And him say anytime him get big and him can't fire a gun, him kill him back. And him kill him when time him 19. And the same people them when witness when time the man killed Fee father. Him say none of them no give statement. But now the whole of them give statement against him and send him to prison. And him a show and him a say, you saw life for him, Mr. Porter. Me never did want to be no bad man, but him kill my father. And me never get no justice and end up all asleep all with my mother. How you think me feel about that? Them never kill him?
Yeah, that mash up in the head.
Bright youth and them thing. Him say, him say, from him at that age, right up to his day. Him say he never kill another, he never kill nobody else. He never had no gang. I just go. And you know which part him get the gun? I don't, Zeke's came the gun. Because Zeke's and Fee mother are some distant relative. And Zeke's nothing asked him what he want the gun for. And Zeke's just tell him to carry it back. And him kill the man and care about the gun. And the same people them, him say, that were there when the man killed Fee father. And them come testify again. And him that prison. 25 years to life. Him talk and tell the youth them say, boy, you know, me talk to him from prison. And me I tell the same scenario video. Me not even know say a man can cook food in a box, in a juice box. You know, like the creamer milk them when you drink out our Surge Island box. Cook food in it. You understand? Run electric wire to it and cook food like a pot. So me I tell you say we have whole heap of talented youth in a prison in Jamaica. But who was there for talk to them and him thing there? Inventor that if a man can cook food in a juice box. You know, so Fee mind powerful, you know. Him can do so many things, but are just the resources and people that are supposed to be there, you know.
The mind strong, but him not get the opportunity for make it. Him not get the opportunity. Next door.
Well, boy, that's why I try what I try what I can from right when I sit down on them thing because, you know, as me say on them thing, if you respect yourself, you gotta respect our next man. All of the man them when they say when they grow a bad man, are people them were violate other people's rights. You understand? Me not believe in that.
Yeah.
You know, that's madness. But just go and take care of yourself and at least I'm a number on them thing there, brother. You want to shout out nobody out of the Creek Park?
Eh?
You want to shout out nobody at the Creek Park?
You want to shout nobody out there? No, sir.
Alright, well, just go and take care of yourself on them thing there. Boy, if you never tell me say Martin dead, me not even know that. I have to talk to Ricky.
I think a year Martin dead. I think a year and dead, but I'll say I drop down and dead. I have blood pressure kill him. Yeah.
Boy, and Connie him did that way. Alright, my brother, blessed love, man, and take care of yourself, here.
Yeah, man, you too, man, just look up yourself at all times, you see.
Alright, my brother, one love, here.
Alright, yeah, thanks again, my brother.
Yeah, man, every time, man, cool.
Alright, cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.